How to buy DeepSeek token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Before going and buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener, as you can see here. It's released 1 day ago and increased by 293% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%, as you can see. That's good. That's me investing in a safe place. The market cap of that token is $6.6 million. The volume is $69 million, as you can see here, guys. So this token is trending number 8 right now on the screener. To be able to buy this token inside your wallet, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, as you can see, go to your wallet, select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. So after that, what you need to do, so if you are the first time, you will be able to see this plus icon, click on it. Now go back to your wallet. So after that, scroll down until you find your token that you just added. So this is it, click on it and click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, after that, type how much you want to buy. Here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, it is a simple click on swap. But before that, make sure to click on this little arrow to be able to read that information. Now, after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token inside your wallet. So if you use the Phantom wallet, it's easy and simple. Click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here, paste the token address that you copy from the screener. This is our token, click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, OKX, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page. Switch the slippage from here on customer because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. If you want to buy via Radium, what you need to do, go to Radium like that. Now after that, what you need to do, I will just disconnect my wallet, guys. Sorry. Now after that, click on connect wallet. So select your wallet that you want to connect, for example, the Bitcoin wallet. After that, after you connect your wallet, if you don't find the token here, go back to the screener, copy the token address from here, go back, click here, make sure to select Solana as a network, paste the token address here. As you can see, click on this plus icon, click on it again. As you can see, you will be able to find it here. So click I understand. And as you can see, this is our token. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. But make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet, of course. And after that, type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see how much you receive. Click on this more info and make sure to read all this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token in your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy DeepSeek token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.